This video was brought to you by Money Sellers Forex Varsity. In today's class, we will be basically talking about what really is traded in the Forex market and how one can make good choice of what to trade for consistent profit. The Forex market is the most traded market in the world with daily traded volume of about 7.5 trillion US dollars. That is pretty high. A whole lot of things are traded in this market, but most traders lack understanding when it comes to choosing what to really trade. So they go ahead trading everything they see. So for that reason, making consistent profit will be defeated. I want you to know that in Forex, currencies are not traded in isolation. Currencies are traded in pairs. So if a trader chooses to buy or sell a pair like, let me say AD/USD, for instance, that means the trader is trading the economy of two different countries same time. So most times, for you to be in profit, you need to understand the fundamental behavior of both the Australian and the US economy because it is their currencies that you're trading. So if one should trade everything traded in Forex like some traders do, making consistent profit will be a problem because it is not easy for one to understand the fundamental behavior of all the countries of the world. So if you have been doing it the wrong way, then don't worry because today's class will give you a proper guide on how to choose what to trade as a trader. There is one thing I want you to know. I want you to understand the fact that there's so much money to be made in Forex. There's a lot of money to be made in this line of business. Apart from making money from buying and selling of currencies and other things traded in Forex, you can also make cool cash by training people. You can be a trainer. I have been a trainer for years. So that is why I don't need to skip any part of my video because all my videos are always detailed on how you can be a good trader and also how you can be a good trainer. Let's go straight to what is traded in Forex. The first thing that we trade in the Forex market is currencies. Currencies is divided into two parts. We have the major currencies and the exotic currencies. The major currencies are regarded as the major currencies because they are currencies of already developed countries. They are the currencies which most of the world foreign transactions are denominated. They make up about 85% of the world foreign exchange market. These are the reasons why people regard them as the major currencies. The major currencies are 8 in number. We have the United States dollar, which is the USD. The second one is the Great British Pounds. The third one is Japanese yen. The other one is euro, followed by Canadian dollar, followed by Australian dollar, followed by New Zealand dollar. Then the last major currency that we trade is Swiss franc. Like I said earlier, these currencies are not traded in isolation. So for exchange to take place, these currencies must be in pairs. So that takes us to major currency pairs. A currency pair is said to be a major pair when any of the major currencies is being paired with the USD. When you check, you will notice that the euro is a major currency, pounds is a major currency, Canadian dollar is a major currency. All of them are being paired with the dollar. So when euro is paired with the dollar, we call it euro USD. So it's a major currency pair. When pounds is paired with the USD, is a major currency pair. USD is pairing with CAD, is a major currency pair. They are the most traded pairs in the world, and they are also highly liquid with low spread. They are the major traded pairs in the FX market. The cost of transacting these currency pairs is very low. The next thing that we trade in the Forex market again are the minor pairs. You can also call them the crosses. When the major currencies pair themselves without the USD, they become the minor pairs. Euro is a major currency, CAD is a major currency, AUD is a major currency, New Zealand is a major currency. When you pair Euro CAD, it becomes a minor pair. You can call it Euro cross, Euro pairing with AUD, Euro pairing with GBP. You can pair all the Euro with the major currencies. As far as the USD is not among, it becomes a minor pair. These are the second to the most traded pairs in the world. Their spread is relatively higher than the major pairs. So you can as well trade these minor pairs. The next thing that we trade in the Forex market are exotic currencies. Exotic currencies are less traded currencies and they are illiquid currencies with wider spread. Illiquid currencies is because people don't transact them that much. Some people regard exotic currencies as currencies of developing countries. They are less traded currencies with high spread. For you to trade exotic currencies, they will also be in pairs. So that takes us to exotic pairs. Now, how do we identify exotic pairs? When any of the major currency is being paired with another one outside the 8 major currencies, become exotic pair. When you check, you will see that the USD is a major currency pairing with another one different from the major currency, which is South African rand. We have euro pairing with another currency that is not among the major currency, which is Turkish lira. We have USD pairing with a different currency that is not among the major currencies. This one is Danish krona, DKK. We have USD pairing with Nigerian naira. The Nigerian naira is an exotic currency because it's not among the major currencies. We have the euro again pairing with Mexican peso. The exotic pairs, they are not highly traded pairs. They are illiquid in nature. So for that reason, they have wider spread, meaning the cost of transacting these currencies is high. So you can as well choose to trade exotic pairs. Me, I trade exotic pairs, but not all the exotic pairs. My favorite exotic pair that I trade, Euro ZAR and USD ZAR. The reason why I trade these two exotic pairs is because I understand how they move. You know, for you to make money in FX, you need to understand what you're trading. So I understand the way they move, I understand the economy. So that is why I trade only these were selected exotic pairs. Apart from the exotic pairs, another thing again that we trade in Forex is commodities. Commodities like the natural gas, the UK oil, the US oil, cotton, coffee, gold, silver. If you don't want to trade currency pairs, you can trade commodities. We have other commodities more than this. I'm just mentioning but a few. So there's another thing again that we trade in Forex, and it's cryptocurrencies. Another thing again that you can trade in the FX market is CFD indices. So the number one of it that we have here on the list is AU200. AU200 is Australian 200. It's an index representing the top 200 Australian stocks listed in the Australian Stock Exchange market. So you can trade it in the FX market too. The second index that we have here is EU50, European 50. European 50 is an index representing the top 50 European stocks traded in the stock exchange market. We also have FR40, that is France 40. France 40 is an index representing the top 40 France stocks traded in the stock exchange market. And this is also traded in Forex. We also have US 100, that is NASDAQ. You can also trade NASDAQ. You can also trade US 30, that is Dow Jones. You can also trade S&P 500. You can also trade Japan 225. You can as well trade Hong Kong 50. And we still have a whole lot of indices that you can trade in the market. So as a trader, it is advisable to choose one area among all these things traded in Forex and focus on it. You must not trade everything traded in Forex, because if you want to trade everything traded in this market, you can never be making consistent profit. You can decide to trade currency pairs. You can decide to trade stocks or commodities or anything that you like trading in the market. This is the end of this class. Thank you for being with us to this end. If this video makes sense to you, then encourage me by clicking the subscribe button so that whenever I release any new video, you will be the first to see. Also follow me on Facebook for more content. All the links are below the description of this video. Please also like the video and share so that other people can also see it. Thank you and bye for now.